Yonghua Electrical Equipment Company is a leader manufacturer with over 26 years' experience in the power electrical products industry. Our factory covers an area of 30,993 square meters, with more than 200 employees, among them including more than 50 the high-tech talents. The company attaches great importance to research and development, with an annual investment of nearly $1.5 billion and 60 intellectual property rights. Actually, we are the pioneer to develop and start the production of RV cords, marine cords, EV chargers, and extension cords in China. At the same time, we also support OEM for customers, both in the product itself and package, with reasonable quantity. We currently supply RV power cords and adapters, RV extension cords, EV chargers, outdoor and indoor extension cords, SRDT power supply series, dryer range and appliance, marine cords, work lights, power strip, and so on. All of our products are with ETL or UL certification. Our clients are located throughout the United States and Canada, including supermarkets, local large dealers, and native hardware shops, and so on. Our company will offer the best products along with solutions that will bring efficiency and flexibility for your current business. Choosing us as a partner in your supply chain will ensure you outpace your competitors. We look forward to serving your needs. Let us get connected everywhere.